Hello guys, welcome to my channel Link Hub. Hope so you all are doing great. So today we are going to discuss what is literature. It is the first video of our playlist of our course Introduction to Literature. In this video we will see the definition of literature. So first of all, what is the root word of literature? Literature is derived from the Latin word literatura. It means written work or handwriting. Concept of what is literature keep changing over time. In general, it refers to the spoken text or songs which are oral literature and the written bodies which convey either information or give player feelings to readers. It is a misconception that literature is all about imagination and offers an escape from the reality. In reality, it shed light on issues that affect us all. It is not an escape from the real world, but it tells us about what is the real world and how we can deal with the issues of the real world. In fact, one of the virtues of literature is that it can correct the faults of time and circumstances or the messy randomness of real life. It has truth as its ultimate object. There is no specific definition of literature as concepts of literature keep changing over time. But some scholars have tried to explain or define the literature. So let's look at some of the famous definition of literature. The first definition is the body of written work produced in a particular language, country, or age. For example, there is Renaissance literature, modern literature. These are the literature of ages. A literature of language. There is French literature, there is Urdu literature, there is English literature, literature of country. There is French literature, there is Pakistani literature. These all are the types of literature. The second definition is literature is written information produced by people who want to tell you something or give you advice. It means that the literature is the certain type of advices, a bunch of political and social advices which writers are giving to the people to make corrections in the society. Literature purpose is to make some corrections in the society. The third and the simplest definition is all the writings dealing with a particular subject. It means all type of novels, short stories, essays, and pamphlets. All these are the literature. So this is the introduction and the definition of literature. In our next videos, we will look at the forms of literature, a history of literature, literary devices, and much more about the literature. If you want to read this information in your feed, do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to share any other information or have any other question in your mind, do share it in the comment section. Thank you so much.